Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to use Midjourney AI on mobile. First, you have to go to your Google web browser, type Midjourney, and click the first one that appears here. Then, once you see this one, kindly tap this join the beta, and then something will pop up that says Midjourney accept invite or never mind. Tap this accept invite, and of course they will ask, wait, are you human? Of course you are. And then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So you have to verify that you're human. You have to tap the parrot here as it or they're asking for a parrot image. And then once done, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds again, and here it is. Your Midjourney is already linked to your Discord account. Now, how are you going to use this one? You just have to look for this site and go to newbies, tap any newbies there. Okay, so I am not yet verified. So I have to resend email address and I need to verify my email address in order for me to use this Midjourney. Okay, so kindly follow this one slash imagine and type an image or any specific keywords for your image. So, for example, dog or 1950s or vintage, something like that. And then tap this purple arrow here, and the images will appear. But of course, in my case, I need to upgrade my Discord because I have already used my free trial. So maybe if I'm going to tap this one, you can see I need to upgrade my plan on Discord. But that's how it is. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.